Calling all the minimal case lovers out there, this, if you have an S25 Ultra, is going to be the most minimal case you can get for your S25 Ultra. And today we are taking a look at the Arc Pulse for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, huge shout out to Arc for sending this over to me to review for you guys. There's a few different models and they all range in prices. So starting off, I do have the matte black one. This one is going to be $69.99. And of course, we'll talk about all the other colors and prices a little bit later on in the video. But all links are down in the description below for you guys to check it out for yourself. I also do have a discount code. Use code Brian10. I'll leave that right here to save 10% off of your entire purchase on Arc's website. So let's go ahead and take a look at the case. Now, as you guys can see, I don't have any packaging. This case is currently on pre-order. It's going to be releasing at the end of May/early June, but you can pre-order it right now. It's currently the middle of May as I am shooting this video, so it's coming out very, very soon. So all I do have is the case, and I can't really show you the packaging. But taking a look at the case, we have two parts here. So the inside is going to be lined with this very nice rubber material, so it's not going to scratch your phone. And this also has a pressure fitting mechanism. So basically, there's no glue, no adhesive, nothing like that. It's just slides onto your phone with pressure and it stays there very, very securely. It's also going to be 10-foot drop tested. So you can actually drop this thing and it will protect your phone for up to 10 feet of drop protection. So let's go ahead and actually just weigh this thing real quick. We'll see how much it weighs. As you guys know, it's so super small, so it's not going to really add any weight to your Galaxy. So let's go ahead and just put both of these pieces on here. We're looking at 17 grams. So you're really not going to notice this case. Number one, because your sides are exposed, even though it will protect it. I'll talk about that in a second. You're not going to really notice it because it's only 17 grams. It barely weighs anything. So let's go ahead and bring over the Ultra and I'll show you guys how to apply it. So starting off, we'll start off with the top piece. All you do is you just take it just like this, right? And you just push it on. Very simple. So what it's going to do is it's going to hook onto the bottom of the camera ring here. Don't worry, it's not going to damage your camera or anything like that. That's on there securely. Then you take your bottom piece and you just do the same thing, right? You just take it, slide it on there, and you are good to go. Here is how your case is going to look. Now, I love the Arc Pulse. I've been using it for a few years now for the iPhones, and for the Galaxy, it's, very, very good just as well. So this is what we're looking like here. Let's talk about it a little bit. Now, as you can see, there's not going to really be too much of a fit test or anything like that because it is on there very nice and snug, and there's no sides or corners to really pop off because these corners do not pop off. You have to slide it off. But to take this thing off, just because of the Galaxy, how wide and thick these cameras are, what you want to do is you want to get right here and just kind of pull that up a little bit, and then you just slide the thing off. So you just go like that, right? It comes right off, no problem. And then same thing with the bottom here. And then just to put it right back on, we'll just do that right here, and we'll take this side and just quickly pull that on, give it a good push, and here we go. So how is this going to give you 10 feet of drop protection? Well, no matter which way you drop this thing, right, you're going to be covered. If you drop it on its bottom, there you go. You have coverage there. If you drop it on any corner or any side, it doesn't matter which way, it's going to land on any of these little bumpers on the top, the sides. Really does not matter. So for those of you guys who don't really want to use a case but are willing to put this on and have some protection, this is perfect for you. It's not going to protect your sides and the back from scratching. So if you're somebody who drops your phone a lot, or you're in, really crazy environments, or you put it in your pocket with other stuff, this may not be for you. But for those of you who want to go caseless but still would love a little protection without any bulk, this is the case that you're going to want to get, because if you drop it, it's going to end up protecting your phone because of the way that this thing is designed. So let's just take a look at the camera and the screen protection. So we'll start off with the cameras this time, and as you guys can see, you've got ample of camera protection. So you can easily set this down on whichever way, whichever surface you want. Jeez, I can't even talk today. Whichever surface you want, you'll be good to go. And then same with your screen protection. You're going to get a screen lip because of those four corners. So you can go ahead and set that down. I am using a full coverage tempered glass screen protector, and as you guys can see, we're good to go, besides for all these hideous fingerprints. Let me go ahead and take care of that real quick. And There we go. So you're going to be just fine with your screen, with your camera. And like I said, really, no matter which way you were to drop this thing, you will be fine. Now, one thing it's not going to do, of course, is give you any MagSafe or Qi 2 capability as far as magnets, because it doesn't have magnets built in, neither does the Ultra. But access to your S Pen, super easy, no problems whatsoever there. Obviously, all your buttons are going to be the original buttons, so there's no need to test those. The bottom, all is completely open, so you can, use any cable, get the S Pen, all that, and you're good to go. So what are my thoughts on the Arc Pulse? How do I feel about it? I love this thing. I've been using it on my Ultra the last few days. I use it on my iPhone all the time, and I know it's not an iPhone video, but I just tell you guys because I actually use these products. I don't just get them, review them, and throw them away, So all in all, this thing very comfortable to hold. Doesn't dig into your palm at all because the corners are pretty rounded here. Very nice to hold. You can talk on the phone, do whatever you want, and you know that you're holding a nice naked Galaxy S25 Ultra, but if you were to drop it, you're going to be covered. Now, like I said, there's really no scratch protection or anything like that, but for those of you who don't really scratch up your phones or don't really care too much about that, you just want the most minimal thing possible, I love the Arc Pulse. So let's talk about some of the colors and prices. Now, don't forget that discount code. Make sure you guys use that. Save yourself a little bit of money. Right? Who doesn't like a good savings? So let's take a look at these colors. Now, starting off, this is going to be the matte black, and it's going to be $69.99. It's also going to come in silver, which is $89.99, graphite, which is $99.99, and rose bronze, which is $109.99. So they're a little bit pricey. But because of the technology in this, there's no adhesive. It's going to give you up to 10 feet of drop protection. There's an anti-scratch coating on these. So, of course, will they scratch eventually? Yes, but it's not going to be super easy where you just set it down and, oh, now you have scratches on there. So that's really nice as well. So all in all, you do have a few different colors to choose from. In my opinion, I think the matte black, which is this one, and the graphite look the best on any of the phones. But what's cool is on Arc's website, you can actually go and select exactly which phone and color you have and match each case to it. So you know exactly what your phone will look like with whatever case you decide to get. So what are my thoughts? Can I recommend it to you? Absolutely. If you guys are somebody who likes to go caseless, or you just want a really minimal style case that's also going to give you that nice drop protection, look no further than the Arc Pulse. So let me know what you guys think about the Arc Pulse down in the comments below. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. I love this thing and I want to hear what you think about it. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a really long way for me and allows me to consistently make these videos for you. And if you guys want to see another very minimal case that's going to offer you some scratch protection but not as much drop protection, I'll leave that video right here. If you guys are like, listen, Brian, none of these minimal cases are for me. Give me something with some protection in it. I'll leave that video right here.